For our fun stuff this morning, we're going to be correcting a few popular phrases that are commonly used.
Or misused.
Okay. All right, so let's run the first one. Are we in this screen? All right, let's go.
Oh, no, that's not a phrase.
Nobody says that. I was just saying to Ari, who says for all intensive?
That's not a phrase.
All intensive purposes, for all intents and purposes. For all intensive.
That's not a phrase.
Wait, let's see what this could mean. You could have, your purpose can be very intensive.
All of them?
So,
all of them? All of the purposes intensive? All of them?
You could have more than one. Wow. This phrase means essentially or in effect. It's used to say that something has the same outcome or result as something else. The incorrect version confuses intense with intensive, which also alters the intended meaning.
I want to say, though, that the phrase means essentially or in effect. Some people still use the correct words.
Wrong.
Yeah. For all intents and purposes.
So may we have it in a sentence, please?
Well, for all intents and purposes, we're doing this exercise so that people know that they're not to misuse words.
Right.
Right.
Copy that? Okay. I still feel like maybe intensive purposes. Come now. We can't make
come on.
Come now. Nobody says this.
Nip it in the bud.
It's a bud, buddy.
Can we nip this in the bud?
Nip it in the bud.
Nip it in the
What?
bud.
Who says that?
Nip it in the bud, please. Nip
Soft
it in
man?
the bud.
Soft man does not say it. It's a wicked try. Nip it in the bud, guys. In the bud.
So when me say nip it in the bud, it never right?
I don't think they heard you.
Like me say nip it in the bud 10 times. I mean, I'll use it in a one sentence.
Yes, she did. She said nip
I said, can we nip this in the bud?
Yes, she did. She did. What does it mean, Harris? Stop a small problem from becoming a bigger one. Bud refers to a plant's early growth stage, well, we know what the...
Well, we know what bud means, right? If you nip it in the bud, then...
This one is one and the same. Yeah. Yep. Phrase indicating that two things or people are identical. In is a common mishearing of and.
Tomato,
so Clive
tomato.
And Bulla are one and the same.
Shoo-in.
But that's wrong.
Well, I think it's not a E.
Oh.
It's a shoe, as in a shoe-in.
Copy.
Look like when me talk, me can't get the pling. Can we nip that in the bud? Like me
for all intents and purposes.
Say it's not the shoe as in the shoe, and me hear nothing. And Simone say, oh, so it's not the E. Pling. It's a shoe-in.
Yes. Oh, as in shoe.
Like the guy who won the Digital Rising Stars?
Yeah.
It's a shoe-in.
Keen. Refers to someone or something that is certain. Oh, thanks, guys. Oh, to succeed. Originates from the idea of shooing away the competition. Go on now to your next one. Is that couldn't, you know? I literally could not care any less. Yeah, this phrase indicates that you do not care at all. At all. Saying could care less implies some level of care which contradicts the intended meaning.
It also has another meaning when you attach the less to care.
When you attach
the less to care.
You could have care.
So they must say, I could care less.
I've never heard.
I could care less.
Oh, wow. But if somebody could care less, that's also not good.
But you could have care less.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
All right.
Ready? Unless your appetite is dry.
The H. Let me tell you, because I'm not going to hear me.
Yeah.
The H
Yes.
is missing from the wet.
Whet. Some people say whet your appetite. Pronunciation of the aspirant before the doctor.
Vibes, sir.
Yeah.
Oh, correct.
Oh, you did not know this? Bulagai?
Yes.
This means to stimulate interest or desire for something. Wet
Sharp
means
mix
to
up.
sharpen, while wet
Well, do we gotta say?
means you're not dry.
If I couldn't care less for have to explain wet. Got it.
Yes.
Couldn't care.
Yeah, we'll see what you did
I
there.
couldn't care less.
Is that it? Do we have any more? Deep-seated. Father God. What is happening this morning? Seated. Deep-seated.
Seated.
You knew that one, Klein? Yeah. This phrase refers to something that is firmly established. Seated indicates being fixed in place. So you don't have a deep-seated hatred.
That's it, although language is dynamic, and I could say deep-seated, and it means something.
What would I mean?
Because seated suggests when Jamaica say have a deep-seated hatred.
Meaning plant, like a seed underground.
It's deep-seated, and not just a surface hatred you have. It's a deep-seated, but that's Jamaican.
Cultural context.
It's a cultural context.
Is what the PhD.
Yes.
Abukad. Okay. All right, that's it for our fun stop this morning. For all intents and purposes,
And the
it
show.
was fantastic. Oh, the show done? Oh, I knew that. Okay.
That's where we leave you.
Yeah. We hope we whetted your appetite to stay with us. Which other one was there?
What's on the show tomorrow?
Tomorrow, gospel artist Jess Royers and her team joining us for Band Wednesday.
And speaking of careless, Neville and Garth are going to discuss the topic, is quitting a sign of failure?
Now, is that...